Once you take it out, you just manually remove the rubber rollers by pulling it out, and you insert the new tires on there, and then you would simply put it back the same way you got it. You would insert the tip inside first, seat it just kind of like that, and then lock that in place, shut it. That's how you do that side. This side, the same thing, except for the arrow is over here. You just pull the arrow like that, open it, and then you would retrieve this, kind of like that. Same process, you would remove the rubber rollers and you put in the new rollers. Then you would close. There's a gear, it sits in the top of the gear like that, so when you put it back into the screw right there, make sure it sits on the gear and it fits on the other end like that, and then you close it. If it's not sitting right, it won't close. It's got to sit correctly. Okay, and that's how you replace both of the feed roller and pickup roller, reverse roller.